All right, y'all, we back at the Young Thug YSL RICO case trial. I apologize. Uh, Lil D's attorney is going to please to the judge to release Lil D from custody, y'all. After he was arrested over his health condition. So, y'all, they locked the boy back up after he got out the hospital. Okay, and if he didn't have a subpoena to come to court, that's a different thing. If he was ill, if he had some kind of illness, he's supposed to contact someone, and then in contact the court, and the court would contact the attorney. I don't know what the case was.
My ruling would be that's close enough in time to negate the likelihood of deliberate or conscious misrepresentation. So I'm going to permit that as a present sense impression exception to hearsay. Does anybody need to use the restroom before we have the jury back? Let's all take as quick of a break as we can because we've already been out about 15 minutes.
Hello, y'all. This is Lil D attorney. So let me put the words up here because of all times I can hear Miss Lil voice, but now she want to talk low. Hold on for a minute. Okay, I hope y'all can hear her.
All right, what's your name? Okay, I'm sorry I hadn't seen you in a while. You look familiar to me, but okay. You are you asking to approach without the defense?
Look how fast Miss Love sat down. You think Miss Love care if that boy is sick or not? See how mean she was when she sat down? Miss Love, did you hear what that man just said? And you jumped up like you were ready to argue. He just said that boy is almost not about to live. And you jumped up like Superwoman. Y'all, I had to rewind that so y'all can see that. Watch how fast that lady jumped out her seat when they said this man might not live. It's really, watch this. Miss Love, you better pray that that boy live. You better pray that that young man live. Because sickle cell is serious. I lost 2 family members over that now. This is serious. And you want to see him in that nasty jail? Oh, Jesus.
Go ahead. All right. So the information I got this morning, and y'all, this was actually what I wanted to discuss on the record. Had we at the bench conference, had we gotten started at 8:45, like I asked for us to get started. So anyway, no. This has nothing to do with that. But the information that I got representation is. Well, we've spoken with the sheriff has informed us since that time, and that was what I wanted to bring to.
Miss Love, you just not telling that man that boy in the hospital? He's so turned, and she talking about, I want to bring this to the court's attention? Are you serious, Judge? She didn't bring this to, come on, Miss Love, come on, baby. You didn't bring it to the court attention? Oh, my God. This is all I've been hearing. I was going to. That's all I've been hearing throughout this whole case. Judge, how much longer are you going to keep giving her? Man, this is some bull mess.
To the court's attention. Judge, and I think that this is a matter that I can speak with Mr. Shive about. I don't know if he wants to fully flesh it out now, but I did want to approach the court.
No, we all need to hear this. You see how that man looking at her like, what wrong with that woman? Judge, if you don't get yourself together, you're going to be, in a hot seat too. If y'all keep on letting the woo-wee. Look how he looking at her. Like, woman, then you just hear me, and she don't want to talk to him in front of us? We know Lil D was sick. Sheesh, God. Talking about, I did want to approach the court with the information. You wanted to. That should have been. Let me hush. I need to save my blood pressure.
With the information of the defense, with the information we had, there's more information than just that. Okay, why don't we just.
Your Honor, you don't gave this woman boo-coos of chances to be professional and act like a prosecutor. This is serious. And then y'all trying to hide the defense with the information we had. She ain't even told the defense. This defense is finding out everything through everybody except for them.
So the information I got this morning, and y'all, this is actually what I wanted to discuss.
Now that you go with, this is the information that I wanted to discuss in the court. Are you, what? Wait a minute. Judge, you in on it too. This is actually what I wanted to discuss on the record. So you knew about this too, Your Honor. What I tell y'all, I told y'all. And look at me, Lord. She don't care.
On the record, had we, at the bench conference, had we gotten started at 8:45 like I asked for us to.
No excuse, Judge. No excuse, Judge. No excuse, Judge. For you either. Whoa, I can't believe this going on in this courtroom. What? And then now she trying to act like she didn't know and she knew about the whole thing. Ooh, Lord have mercy, Jesus. And look at her, y'all. The judge. So anyway, oh Lord, yeah, Jesus, we'll take her. So anyway, that's it's y'all. Y'all be ready to lock somebody up. Y'all not used. Ooh. Oh my God. That's why I told you I can't live over in Atlanta. They do too much.
No. This has nothing to do with that. But the information that I got this morning from the sheriff's office was that he is in Grady, Your Honor. So I don't know.
Look at me, love. Didn't even tell the man that you didn't even tell that man that boy was in Grady when he asked you. He trusts the SU prosecutor. They are trusting you because they believe that you will be telling the truth. You didn't even, what? So I don't know how recent your information is. The man, she didn't tell the man that the boy was in the hospital, but I be monkeys, pancakes, and eggs, grits, and everything else. Lord, how much? Miss Love, it's time for you to go.
How recent your information is.
I talked to him at 2 a.m.
Well, we've
What? We spoken with the fam. What, Miss Love? All right, you keep on being on her side if you want to. We'll take her. You keep on. Your check gonna be demonetized. Yeah. Oh Lord, have mercy. Fooling with that woman like that, you ain't gonna have no job. That good sweet talking y'all, boy. Good jeez. And look at you. And you trying to play like you don't know.
Spoken with the sheriff has informed us since that time, and that was what I wanted to bring to the court's attention.
And then on the thing you got to say, okay, she said this is what I was going to bring to the court. Then she didn't want even his health condition did not concern her. I don't care how much you don't like somebody or something like that. You could say that I wonder how that young man doing who in custody so they won't sue me. I can act like I care when I don't care. You gonna learn one day.
Judge, and I think that this is a matter that I can speak with Mr. Shive about. I don't know if he wants to fully flesh it out now, but I did want to approach the court with the information and the defense with the information.
But you didn't.
There's more information than just that.
Okay, why don't we just
Look, she gonna tell them to come on. Look, she told them, well, why don't we come over here? She don't want y'all to hear. Ain't that some bull mess? Cake and ice cream. Somebody need to get sued. This boy health condition is serious, y'all. And they put him in Rice Street jail. In the dungeon. Y'all tell me down in the comment what y'all think is, what do y'all think is going on? What, please tell me. Please tell me. Maybe I'm wrong. But I love people. But it ain't right. Are you working with them and pretending? It's serious, Judge. I'm out, y'all.